Careers Zone YouTube channel. So here we will be giving you an regular updates regarding job openings pan India and as well as pan world. So please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. Job number 22. So job role will be audit and assurance staff. Company will be Deloitte and job location is Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Bangalore. Requirement is CA. May attempt also fine. Salary will be 10 lakh to 12 lakh per annum and we have given the email ID to apply this job. So please apply the job and get your dream job friends. So now we are moving to next job. So job number 23, job role will be business analyst, company IT industry, job location Bangalore and requirement 3 to 8 years of experience into IT industry. Salary will be 15 to 30 lakh per annum. To apply, we have provided the email ID of Akram. So you can directly connect to this email ID friends. So now we are moving to the next job, job number 24. So job number 24, job role will be business analyst or reporting analyst. So this position is mixed position. So Qualcomm company name, job location will be Bangalore, 5 to 6 years of experience, salary up to 15 lakh they'll offering and we have given email ID to apply this job friends. So now we are moving to the next job, job number 25. Job role will be business intelligence engineer. Company name Amazon. So Bangalore, work from home not available. This is compulsory work from office. 3+ years of experience is required. Up to 12 lakhs per annum salary will be available and we have given the email ID. So you can directly drop your resume to this email ID. Job number 26. So job role will be chart process. Company's name is IT industry. So IT company. So job location Bangalore. Requirement freshers or up to 2 years of experience persons who is handling data. So salary will be 25k to 40k in hand. To apply this job, you can directly contact to this provided mobile number.